Hey everyone, okay, so this evening here, and I'm going to show you my new nighttime skincare routine for flawless, plump, dewy glass skin. So first thing I need to do is cleanse the skin. I'm going to use Dr. Sam, and this is the Flawless Cleanser. So I'm going to use this all over, and this will take off everything I've got on and leave my skin beautifully soft. So next up, skin is now beautifully clean. Next up is Rhode, and this is the glazing milk. I like to use this to kind of act as a buffer for the active that will come. So I smooth this all over the skin, and it just acts like a second coat. Yes, it may prevent a small amount of the actives. Who cares? I've yet to meet anyone who looks 40 years younger from using actives. So until that day, I'm fine if a little bit of it doesn't make it. What this does is it means that there's going to be less irritation because there's that slight barrier of gorgeousness between me and my skin and the active. Next up is the active. This is clearer. And I'm going to use one pump, and I'm going to dot it just onto my face and blend it in. Now when I blend it in, I stay away from the sides of my nose. I go underneath the eyes, everywhere else, but I stay away from that area because it just gets really, really sore. It really does. So I just make sure that I do my best to stay away. Now with that absorbed, I go in with a serum. I love this stuff. This is from a company called Keats, and this is so good. They do a beautiful moisturizer as well. And I'm going to take a pump or a pipette full, smooth it in, and just go over the skin. It's such beautiful stuff, and it's all under £30 as well, which is really nice. And as my final step, Dr. Sam, and this is the Intense, the Flawless Moisturizer Intense. This is important because I need an intense product now that's going to help to nourish the skin and really seal in everything, because actives are problematic and they can make the skin beautiful but a bit irritated. This just seals the deal and creates baby soft, dewy skin ready for the morning, and there's zero irritation. And that's it. That's my nighttime skincare routine. Now all I do is go to bed and then wait for my mind to start going absolutely mental. So here's the products used. Dr. Sam, this is the Flawless Cleanser. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Rhode, glazing milk. Clearer for that prescription strength product, worth every penny. Keats, that gorgeous, gorgeous serum. And finally, Dr. Sam again, and this is the Flawless Moisturizer Intense. It's intense and it's amazing. That's it. Thanks for watching. Good night.